Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Honor 90. First of all, you have to open the phone dialer. Next you have to go to the contacts. Let's pick one of the contact and then click edit button right here, or simply go for the ringtone if you have this option. So we can just decide. Let's click right here, accept the permissions, and as you can see, first we got option with the music on the device. So right now we can just select custom sound. We are also able to set the video ringtones. That's the system ringtone. And you can just turn off and don't have any ringtone set up for this specific contact. And that's how it looks. Hope you like it.